Malapit na tayo. So we're almost near where we are going to climb. But I think the view wouldn't be that spectacular because it's a little bit foggy. Look at this. Icicle forming. So we'll just climb up right up to the overlooking view and climb back again down later. Look at that. So icicle are forming. I'm gonna zoom in later when we have a clear view. Yeah, it's all white. It's freaking cold. Look at those are icicles forming on the chain fence. And the foliage is crystallized. So I still have some video to upload on day 3 of the Budapest vacation and the New Year celebration here in Nova Mesa Navajo. And now this footage. So there are some footages that's still not being uploaded. It's foggy, so we'll take a closer look later. So as you can see, everything is frozen. Look at that. Everything is frozen and white. So we're going to climb that up to the overlooking spot only, and then we're going to climb back down and go to Tesco to get a brand new SIM card. So while we're walking to the top, let me discuss to you the 4 major telecom network here in Slovakia. So we have Orange Telecom, which is T-Mobile, O2, and Forca. The most powerful one, the most expensive one would be Orange Telecom. And for Telecom, the T-Mobile, for 1 month unlimited internet, it would cost you around 15 euro. That's for 1 month. 5 euro for 10 days. So it's a good deal, right? The only problem with Telecom is that the internet they provide for 15 euro for 1 month is capped at 1 MB. So basically you can browse the internet, Facebook, YouTube with buffing. You cannot upload videos because it's too slow. If you're going to upload any video, you will have to purchase another, the €2 one. That is the uncapped data speed for one day. When I try to upload video, I usually try to purchase the €2 uncapped one. So because of that, I'm having to buy the €15 for 1 month and another euro every time I need to upload any content on social media. So that's not really practical. So what I have decided to do is change to Porca Telecom, because one of my friends is using Porca Telecom and it's also €15 per 1 month. But within that €15 you will be given a 300 gig for 1 month. And you cannot consume 300 gig of data for 1 month, even if you always watch YouTube or upload videos on social media. And what you will do is, before the 1 month ends, you will reapply the €15 charge and will stack on what's left on your 300 gig. Let's say before the end of the month you still have 150 gigs and you purchase another 15 gig, another €15 internet. So that would be 150 gig plus the new 300 gig. So that would be 450 gig. So I'll try to purchase Porca SIM later at Tesco. So Porca SIM, it's €4 for the SIM and €15 for the first 3 months. And then you can top it up yourself using one of your bank account service. Like with us, I'm using CSOB. So here it is. Everything is white. I'm gonna zoom in. Can you see that? Everything is white. So we are just going to climb right up until to the point of the looking view. Look at that. Everything is covered with ice. Good morning. So yeah, and this mountain, I'm going to put the name and location of the mountain in the description. Here in Nove Mesa, Nadvahom. This mountain also has a biking trail. There's actually a mountain biking course right somewhere up there. I think I have a footage of it on my TikTok account. So again, if you want to follow all my socials, every social media that I own is named Cavite Checkpoint. So my TikTok account, Facebook creator account, and YouTube is all named Cavite Checkpoint. So here we have the first split of the road. On the left side is where you want to go. On the right side is the mountain biking path. Here on the left side is where you will find the overlooking spot. So I won't cut the video so that you can see where exactly you can find it. There's only a couple of steep climb. So if you're going to decide to go here, just be prepared and try to wear trekking shoes. Everything is covered in ice. So this will be another one of those videos that I haven't uploaded on YouTube. So there's actually 3 videos. This one, the 3rd day in Budapest, and the New Year's celebration, the small gathering that we made. Last December 31. Whew. I am out of breath. I'm a bit struggling right now. Maybe because it's colder right now, not like in the summer. Look at those. So after climbing that steep climb, I'll show you how to find the way to the overlooking. Whew, that's a struggle. So here's one path. You can follow this path on the inside, and it will take you to the overlooking view. Okay, damn it. I'm still panting. I'm out of shape. And on this spring and summer, I'm planning to go back in Tatra Mountains, High Tatras, if the budget, if I have enough budget. So here's what I'm telling you about. That's the yellow marker, meaning it is an intermediate course. So there are actually different kinds. There are ones that's yellow and it's like a mountain. It means you're going to climb. So here's another fork in the road. So this is the way to the overlooking. You can actually see it. If you head straight ahead and follow the path, you can actually get out of the other side of the mountain in Katiche. This one you can circle back inside, but it will also lead on the same direction. Basically, this mountain just everything goes in a loop, but always be careful because you can get lost. I got lost here one time because I was too confident that I already knew what was happening. Look at this, icicles, frozen, everything's white. Everything's frozen. Right down there, you can actually climb down from that way. There is a path leading down there, and right on the edge of that cliff, there's actually a big boulder that is aesthetically pleasing to take a photograph with. So it's a little. So this is Nove Mesto Nadbahom. So there is Nove Mesto Nadbahom, but you can actually see it because it's foggy. This is a new, like in the Philippines we call this subdivision. In America I think they call it suburbs. In that way, that is Katiche. My company is somewhere there, Nissan Automotive. So yeah, this is what we came here for. So this is the overlooking view in Nove Mesto Nadbahom. So to those new people, newcomers under Luga trade, you can always come here. Or you can always message me on how to get here. I will gladly teach you how to get here. So I think I'll cut the video right here. Just a short video. I just wanted to climb here and see what it's like when it's frozen. Maybe I'll try to climb here again when it's pouring heavy snow. We'll see. So once again, for those people who are just finding my channel, my name is Kuya Jobs. I'm a Filipino overseas worker working here and living here in Novo Mesto nad Bohum, Slovakia, Central Europe. So there are people that will say Slovakia is Eastern Europe. So I would like to tell you to tell that to the locals. The locals don't see themselves as Eastern European but Central European. So this is Slovakia, Central EU. So once again, if you want to follow me socials, I'm gonna put it right there. And so my YouTube channel is Cavite Checkpoint. My TikTok account is Cavite Checkpoint. My Facebook creator account is Cavite Checkpoint. Instagram also Cavite Checkpoint. But I'm not active on Instagram. So actually I can take a picture while still filming the video. I did not know that. So this is, look at that, everything's covered in ice. So I'm going to cut the video right now. So once again, if you happen to like this content, give me a follow, like, share, and subscribe. And once again, thanks for watching the video. See you again next time. Like, share, and subscribe, and give me a follow on all my socials: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. So once again, this is Kuya Job. Thank you for watching. Dovidinya. Goodbye.